This model has 1100 watts microwave power to enable various quick and even cooking. With the powerful 450 CFM ventilation, it keeps the kitchen free of smell. This has 3 types of lighting options. Also, you can choose the turntable to be on or off with the stirrer. And the humidity sensor decides cooking time automatically. You can easily replace the filter by grabbing the finger hold and sliding it to the rear. This allows 2 kinds of lamp brightness, according to your kitchen condition: low, high, and it also allows the lamp to be turned on automatically during the night by presetting the time. The powerful 450 CFM ventilation has 2 operating options, low and high. Operating in high mode removes smoke and cooking smells quickly, but keeps noise to a minimum relative to CFM level of similar products. When heating large amounts of food or using square type of dishes, you can remove the turntable to place the dish directly on top of the surface. The stirrer ensures even cooking without the turntable. Also, a rack shortens cooking time when you want to cook 2 types of dish at once. The sound sensor responds to the popping sound and decides the optimal cooking time to pop your popcorn. Wanna be a chef? .6 cubic feet OTRs are also available. Value beyond imagination. Daewoo Electronics.